You suck. No, not you, I'm sure you're great. This is how to play uncontrollable soccer under crazy conditions. Split your group into 2 even teams and set up 2 folding chairs about 50 feet away from each other. If you're on a basketball court, that's about the distance between the free throw lines, but my group likes playing this game outside. The chairs will be your goals because instead of kicking the ball into a net or throwing it through a hoop, each team will have to throw the ball into the hands of their players standing on the chair. We'll still refer to this player as the goalie, even though they aren't really protecting the goal, they are the goal. Each round starts with a jump ball at the center of the field. You can use a dodgeball or a kickball, really any sort of throwable ball works. Once you've done the jump ball and a team has taken possession, a lot of the movement is similar to Ultimate Frisbee. That means that if a player is holding the ball, they cannot move their feet, so most of the time they'll need to rely on passing to their teammates. The twist, however, is that the players in the field are only allowed to use one hand. With my group, I like to let the girls use their dominant hand, but the boys are forced to use their non-dominant hand. The one difference to the rules of Ultimate Frisbee is that if the ball touches the ground, your team does not lose possession. It's still free for you to pick back up, and so smart players may realize that they can roll the ball in front of them for a bit and then pick it up just before the defense comes to stop them. Since this is a non-contact game, the defense cannot slap the ball out of your hands, but they can intercept passes. As teams move up and down the field through passes and dribbling, eventually one team gets close enough to their goalie that they'll want to go for a point. If you're precise enough to throw the ball to your goalie high enough that it gets over the defenders, but low enough that your goalie can still catch it, then your team gets a point. This is made a little easier by the fact that the goalies can still use both of their hands. One thing that's important to note, however, is that the goalie's feet are not allowed to leave the chair. This is mostly for safety since just standing on the chair is fine, but if people start jumping and leaning, it becomes dangerous. For the same reason, none of the players are allowed to touch or bump into the goalie. After a point is scored, reset back into the middle for another jump ball and play first to 7 points. This game is fast, requires teamwork, and is likely a game your group has never played before, just like so many of the other games we offer in our Game Index, a free resource on our website. You can search through a catalog of dozens of games and even filter them by different criteria like the age group you're with, your group size, what materials you need, and more. Check out the Game Index as well as all of the resources we have to offer that will help take your youth ministry to the next level at ActuallyFun.com.